You know English. But do you really speak like a native? Native speakers love using idioms, short phrases that hide big meanings. Today you'll learn 10 of the most useful English idioms for everyday life. Let's begin. Break the ice means to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example 1. I told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Example 2. He brought snacks to break the ice at the office party. Example 3. Asking about someone's hobbies always breaks the ice. Example 4. The teacher played a game to break the ice with new students. Example 5. A smile is sometimes all you need to break the ice. Hit the sack means to go to bed. Get some sleep. Example 1. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack. Example 2. After working all night, I finally hit the sack at 2 a.m. Example 3. Let's hit the sack early. Tomorrow we have a big day. Example 4. He hit the sack right after the movie. Example 5. I'll hit the sack once I finish my tea. To spill the beans means to accidentally reveal a secret. Example 1. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. Example 2. Don't spill the beans. It's supposed to be a secret. Example 3. He always spills the beans when he's excited. Example 4. I spilled the beans and told everyone about our trip. Example 5. Try not to spill the beans before the big day. Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely. Example 1. I eat junk food once in a blue moon. Example 2. He calls his mother once in a blue moon. Example 3. A solar eclipse happens once in a blue moon. Example 4. I go shopping once in a blue moon. I prefer online. Example 5. Seeing snow here is a once in a blue moon event. Under the weather means feeling sick or not well. Example 1. I'm feeling under the weather today. Example 2. She looked under the weather after the long flight. Example 3. He stayed home because he was under the weather. Example 4. If you're under the weather, drink tea and rest. Example 5. The cold rain made me feel under the weather. Piece of cake means something very easy to do. Example 1. That exam was a piece of cake. Example 2. Cooking noodles is a piece of cake. Example 3. The driving test was a piece of cake for her. Example 4. Learning idioms can be a piece of cake with practice. Example 5. Fixing the computer was a piece of cake for him. Cost an arm and a leg means something very expensive. Example 1. That new phone costs an arm and a leg. Example 2. Living in Dubai costs an arm and a leg. Example 3. First class tickets cost an arm and a leg. Example 4. Designer clothes can cost an arm and a leg. Example 5. His dream car cost him an arm and a leg. Hit the nail on the head means to be exactly right. Example 1. You hit the nail on the head. That's exactly right. Example 2. Her answer hit the nail on the head. Example 3. He hit the nail on the head. With that comment. Example 4. When you said it's about practice, you hit the nail on the head. Example 5. You really hit the nail on the head. About motivation. A blessing in disguise means something that seems bad but turns out good. Example 1. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise. Example 2. Missing the flight was a blessing in disguise. It rained later. Example 3. The delay was a blessing in disguise. We met amazing people. Example 4. Getting sick made her rest more. A blessing in disguise. Example 5. Sometimes failure is a blessing in disguise. The ball is in your court means it's your turn to act or decide. Example 1. I've done my part. Now the ball's in your court. Example 2. He texted her. The ball is in her court now. Example 3. The company made an offer. The ball's in your court. Example 4. I gave you the plan. Now the ball is in your court. Example 5. You know what to do. The ball is in your court. Let's quickly review today's 10 idioms. Break the ice. Hit the sack. Spill the beans. Once in a blue moon. Under the weather. Piece of cake. Costs an arm and a leg. Hit the nail on the head. A blessing in disguise. The ball is in your court. Which idiom was your favorite? Try using it in your own sentence. If you enjoyed learning, subscribe for more English lessons every week. Thank you for watching, and remember, the ball is in your court.